Hello homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling V&Z and tapos na syempre ang school year at magsa-start na naman ng another school year. So, time na natin para mag-declutter, mag-alis ng mga bagay na hindi na natin ginagamit. It's either for donation, for selling, or for disposal. Okay, so bago ko muna tanggalin tong mga to dito sa bahay namin, gawa ko muna ng video yung mga homeschool materials na ito para at least meron kayong idea kung ano yung pwede ninyong gamitin. Some of these materials for sure, baka nakita nyo na rin sa mga previous videos. Ito ay mga books din and some materials for learning. Teka lang, baba ko muna yung box. Ilagay ko na lang muna sa gilid. Alright, so ito, pinag-iisipan ko kung ilalet go ko na ba o hindi. Kasi I have more than 20 books ng Geronimo Stilton and Thea Stilton and yung isa pa. Isa pang set ng books. So I have more than 20 of these. Nabasa naman na lahat ng dalawa kong anak. But yung third kid, ayun, so hindi ko alam kung gugustuhin niya pa bang basahin niya. So, if ever man, siguro popost ko na lang if I'm ready to let go of that. The VeggieTales, 365 Bedtime Devos for Boys. Yeah, I'll leave a link na lang. Tapos ako to siya nabili. So, may sulat-sulat pa nung anak ko. Ay, nako. From the Crafter Teacher. I'm not sure if she's still selling ng ganito. Kasi parang wala na ako nakikita. This is actually good for spelling. Lego siya. And meron siyang mga blocks for spelling. Ayan. So, meron na siyang attach yung mga letters. Ayan. And then may mga digraphs. Ayan siya. We use this for spelling. Ayan. Parang ang bili ko dito 1,000 or 1,000 plus. I forgot na. Ayan, I'm letting go of this kasi mas gusto na ng anak ko na sa tablet mag-spell. Ayan. So, I'll show you the block. Ayan siya. Ayan. Alright. So, that's from the Crafter Teacher. From Our Living Learning. This is for art appreciation. Yan. For if you are doing Charlotte Mason. Fabian de la Rosa. Yep. Ayun. So, this is for art appreciation. For MAPE. Pwede nyo gamitin yan. Yan. If you're doing Charlotte Mason approach, pwede nyo ito magamit. Or even if you're not using Charlotte Mason approach, magagamit nyo pa rin naman to for MAPE. And art history. Okay, so we have some flashcards. Alright, so mga flashcards here. Okay, this is from pre-K until grade 3, I believe. Sulat naman dito. Ayan, sight words. This is for grade 1. Pre-K, grade 2, kinder, and grade 3. Yan. So, we're letting go of these. Learning materials. These are from Arnapa, our previous homeschool provider. BCBs. Ito yung mga na-research ko and na-print ko. This is from the Reading Mama. So, marami kong papers, mga worksheets. Yan. Pero may mga laminates. Pamimigay ko na lang to. Yan. So, ilan yung ganito ko? Actually, marami na ako napagbigyan nito eh. As in the past years. At meron pa rin dito sa akin. Hindi ako nauubusan. Ito, sa materials. Ito, nakalaminate rin to. Marami to. Ayan o. Ayan. This is for to? Kinder or grade 1. Pwede to kasi decoding na talaga. Reading na to. Like this. We're letting go of that one. Counter. more protectors, more worksheets. May mga worksheets dito. Do-donate natin yan. Tignan natin kung sinong parent ang gusto kumuha nito. If you want, let me know in the comment box or abangan nyo, comment na lang kayo sa folder sa page ko sa Facebook. Okay, so here, what's this? Nagkapit pa to. Pero, minimal eh. Yeah, this is for English. Yeah, this is for donation. What's this? This is a game, card game. Picture ka by Hasbro. Not so sure kung paano laruin to. I forgot na. Let me see. Okay. It's for donation. We have some stuff. Easter story, mini coloring book. What's this? Tic-tac-toe? Yeah. Tic-tac-toe. Yeah. Pwede siyang gawing counter din. Or pwedeng pang cover sa may worksheet. Meron kayong papipiliin mo siya na answer. Pwedeng ito yung pang cover mo dun sa answer. Kunyari, letter A or letter E. Cover niya. Ganun. Pwede yung gawin yun. Well, this is great for preschoolers. Ayan. We have... I'm giving this away na. Meron tayong... Sige, sa inyo na rin yung lalagyan. Siguro. I think this is odd and even. Yep. This is odd and even. Okay, we're letting go of these. Donate natin yan. We have some flashcards for spelling. Okay. Some flashcards. What else do we have? Oh, more flashcards. We have a tong. Yes, a wooden tong. And more flashcards for words. Ayan. So, those are the things that I have here. Textbooks na ilalet ko na natin. So, yung mga textbooks na to nagamit ng mga anak ko. Supposedly, gagamitin namin last school year, pero hindi naman namin nagamit. So, these were issued by the previous homeschool provider by Pineal. So, this is for English, developing reading and language skills. Kasama siyang teacher's guide. Of course, we have binhi for Filipino naman. This is for grade 2. Meron siyang teacher's guide. And then, the other textbooks that we're letting go. Math textbook for grade 5. This is McGraw-Hill. I believe nabili ko to locally. I'm trying to remember kung saang store. Okay. Pag naalala ko kung saan ko sila nabili at merong link online, dalagay ko sa description box yung link para hindi na kayo maghahanap. Okay? So, para meron kayong idea din. And then, siguro yung mga for sale ko, lagay ko na rin yung link siguro sa comment box na lang nung album sa Facebook para, if you want to something, diba? Kasi a lot of these items naman, idodonate ko some sa high school, public high school, pero kasi namimili din sila ng mga for donation, kaya check natin kung ano yung i-accept nilang libro. So, yung mga hindi nila i-accept yun, ito-donate ko sa ibang tao. Alright. Ayan. So, we have another math book. This is from Vibal. This is for grade 6. And then for grade 7, we have science. Science ng Rex. And then we have the Math Plus for grade 7 by CNE Publishing. We have a box of books here. Iisa-isahin natin yung mga laman para pakita ko sa inyo. Alright. First ay ang aking set ng phonics and reading. So, this is a phonics program. Meron ako separate video for this. Maganda siya for those who are beginning readers. So, dalawang set to. We have the series 1 and the series 2. And each series has 10 books. Ayan. So, I-let go na natin yan. We have here, this is for preschoolers, the 1-year devotions for preschoolers. Again, yung link, lalagay ko sa baba kung saan ko nabili. Another set ng phonics books. Yan, by Osborne. This is a scholastic, books to. Maganda siya. Yan. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga kids ko dito. Maganda siya yung mga stories nila. Saka madali for beginning readers to read the books. Yeah, so we have 4 of these. At letting go. Another set of phonics books. We have here naman, I Love Reading Phonics. This is also from Scholastic. Letting go of that. Ano pa ba? Syempre, puro phonics. Ayan, so we have another set of phonics books. This is also from Scholastic. So, meron siyang 12 books. Kung mahilig kayo kay Clifford, the Big Red Dog, you will love these. So, ito yun yung mga stories sa loob. Yan. So, maganda siya. This is actually level 2. Pero, kung nakaka-decode naman yung anak ninyo, maganda na siya. Yan. And then, what else? We have some Dr. Seuss's na books. Yan. 1 Fish, 2 Fish. Ko na rin ito. Put Me in the Zoo. Meron pa akong isa. Wait lang. Alright. Hindi ko siya makita. So, amaya na lang pag nakita ko ulit. So we have some storybooks. We have here. These are also for kids. 5 Little Monkeys. Meron pa tayo. Ano pa? Ayan, One Frog Sang. Ito naman is for counting. Ayan. So these are scholastic books. I think this is scholastic as well. 5 Little Monkeys. Yeah. Okay, so scholastic ko sila nabili. And what else do we have here? Oh, another set of phonics books. We have here yung I Love Reading Phonics. Yeah, also from Scholastic. Some pocket books. Yan. R.L. Stein's. Namisira na siya. Napamana rin ng sa amin to. So, we're going to donate this na rin lang. And then, what else? Yan. Letting go of this one. The Twinkler Girl Scout Handbook. Yan. Letting go of that. And, my iHomeschool by Novi Antan. Meron pa siyang dedication. Yep. For language arts, natapos namin this school year. So, yung mga, eto kasi, nagamit to. So, nasulatan siya. Yung mga course books. Eto, didispose na natin to. Kasi, lahat ko may sulat na. Tapon na natin yan. Pero yung mga readers, ayan, I'll probably just sell these na lang. Cover man lang. Kahit pa paano yung konting, nagastos for the printing. Wala naman tong marks. So, magagamit. So, if you're using The Good and the Beautiful, ayan. So, ito, this is for grade 4 yung readers niya. Ito naman is for grade 2. The reading booster card and yung dalawang readers niya. Ayan. So, these are size A5. Okay. Then this one, Money Math by DK Workbooks. Hindi namin ito nagamit. Ayan. Letting go of that. The spelling books na nagamit namin this school year, are also going to dispose these. Right. Again, kung available sila online, ilalagay ko sila sa description box. And if you're interested to get some of the items for donation or for sale, I leave a link na lang sa comment box siguro nung link to my album na lang sa Facebook siguro para mas madali. Alright. So, these are the items we're letting go of. I know marami pa na meron dyan sa shelves namin, but so far ito muna for this week. And ayun, if you have any more questions about homeschooling, please let me know in the comment box or you can message me in my Facebook account. or you can email me. Ayan. So, thank you again for watching and happy homeschooling. Bye, everyone!